Hi Nanditaben,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. So today is our last day of 21 days Mira workshop. So share your experience and how it benefited you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Just first of all, a brief introduction about myself. So, my name is Nandita, and currently I am working as a senior national account manager in London, in City, for top one of the top three organizations in beauty and fashion industry. And I just want to say thank you to my cousin Kushbu, who introduced us to this amazing course, and to you, ma'am. And I'm really grateful to God and to you for taking us on this journey of 21 days of self love slash mirror workshop. Before coming on this course, I must say that I was going through few challenges in certain aspects, and the biggest one, which was concerning to me, was my health. I had hypertension, high blood pressure. My blood pressure used to consistently come around 165 or more. My doctors were not able to help me with different kinds of medications, and I tried various different things, but nothing was helping. But after being on this journey of 21 days with you, now that when I measure my blood pressure, it's consistently coming normal with what it should be. So thank you so much, ma'am. Just to share a little bit more about how it has helped, it's not just being on this course and the blood pressure has come normal. No, for 21 days consistently, we have been working on different topics and different areas which are related to life. In some of them, I won't give much more details. I'll just, leave that for ma'am to kind of share when you are on this journey with her. But an overview, we go through deep into fear, into anger, into finances. So, overall, different aspects and areas of life which are key and important, we go in deep and in detail in that. And this has massively helped me to have a massive, I would say, an overall good quality of life. I am now more enthusiastic and super active to live every day, each day with excitement. I am more positive and looking forward to each day with a lot of love and gratitude. And just overall in general, I am become more and more super active and with a positive attitude. The other area which I was working on is my career. I'm working on a higher position, towards a higher position, and by being on this journey I have learned, like, how critical it is to be having a time management. I have become an early riser. I wake up at 5:30 and I'm still super active, and I look forward to my day. And just to give you context, I used to hate waking up early, so this is a massive achievement for me. And just being more kind of open, more receptive and confident in the meetings and around the people, and sharing my ideas more confidently. And overall, I would just say that the self love and mirror workshop is the one word, doesn't really describe everything which you go through in this journey of 21 days. Like I said, you really go into deep each day with different topics and areas which are essential to work on for a successful life. So most importantly, Khushbu ma'am, like, you are amazing coach I have ever come across. You are super caring and you want best out of your students, and you just want best for them, and your empathetic and compassionate approach has obviously made me feel comfortable. So thank you so much to you, and whoever is listening to this video, please go ahead and have yourself enrolled with ma'am. You will not regret about it. If anything, your life is just going to get massively improved and better. I cannot stop talking to all my friends, and like whoever I come across with, have just continued to share my journey with them, and I'm just referring and recommending them to just go on this journey, and I would do same to everyone who is listening to this video.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you.